Hello everyone, welcome to another video from my channel, and today here I'm going to create a makeup look using all these products right here. So please like my video, and without further ado, let's start with the video. So for the very first product, I will moisturize my skin thoroughly because I am a combination dry skin type person. So I will take the Nutriderm moisturizer. I have recently started using this. So I feel this much amount of moisturizer is perfect for covering my entire face. Now I'll take the stippling brush from Pack Cosmetics and I'll just dot it all over my face and start stippling the entire product on my entire face. And I got a few eruptions, and let's see when it goes. I'll moisturize my entire face nicely, especially the areas where I have dry skin. Now, after stippling it nicely, I will take my hands and with very light pressure, I'll pat my entire face to set the product in. Now, the step is foundation. So I will directly go in with foundation. I am not applying any primer. I'll go in with foundation. This is Revlon 24-hour Stay Foundation. And it is a very nice moussey thick foundation. I really like the formula of this. I'll dot the foundation all over my face, and then with my most awaited product, it is from Plume, and I really love this makeup sponge. I will use this to blend out my product. I'll damp the beauty blender with some rose water. I have rose water in this toner container, and I'll squeeze the excess water out. And now with that damp beauty blender, I'm going to blend the foundation into my skin. And with this makeup sponge, the foundation blends smoothly. I really like this Plume makeup sponges. So when my foundation is done, I will bring some color back to my face, and I will use this Sugar Contour Day Force palette in the shade 01. I'll take my Faces blush to contour my face, and the contour shade is beautiful. I'll take very light amount and then I will apply it on my cheeks. Don't put in too much of product at one time, otherwise your skin might look very patchy. So take small amount of product at one time and keep on building up. Then with the same brush and same contour shade, I'm going to contour my nose. I do these steps very rarely. So since this is a festive makeup look sort of video, that's why I'm doing all these steps. Now taking some amount of blush from that, these shades are very pigmented, so be very careful. I'll just smile broadly and then I'll just blush, apply the blush on my cheekbones. This is the most awaited part, Huda Beauty eyeshadow palette. I love this palette. I absolutely love the packaging and the colors. Everything is gorgeous and beautiful. I really like all the shades in here. They are highly pigmented. I'll take the color Desert Sand, and it is very pigmented. I will take it and I will just sort of mattify my entire eyelid. Just look at the pigment payoff, guys. It is beautiful. So taking my Faces flat brush, I will mattify my entire eyelid. So I forgot to show you the brush initially, so now I showed it to you. Taking the shade Eden from this palette, I will... Oh god, that's a good amount of color. So taking that shade, I will apply it all over my crease. Now going in with the shade Amber, it's a beautiful orangey brownie kind of shade. I will take a start maker brush, fluffy brush, and I will blend the product in my crease. Taking this violet shade Amethyst from this palette, and it has beautiful pigmentation. You can see it already in the brush, and I will pack it on my entire eyelid. I will take more color and I will keep on building the color till I feel satisfied with the amount of pigmentation I have. So now I'm happy with the amount of pigmentation I have with the colors Amethyst. Now I will be taking this shade, which is a lid topper. This is the shade called Twilight. It is a beautiful foil pigmented shade. I really like this, and I'm putting it on my center of the eyelid. I was very happy while I was applying this shade. It really gave me what I wanted. Now I'm taking a clean fluffy brush from Pro Art, and I will buff the edges of the shade Twilight with Amethyst so that there are no stark edges or difference between the two colors. Taking the shade Nefertiti, I will apply it on very slight amount. Taking a pencil brush, I'll apply it in my inner corners and as well as on the brow bones. I'm done with two eyes. Now I'll be doing the lower lash line. I'll take the shade Amber and Saffron to do my lower lash line. Now taking the highlighter shade from the Sugar Contour de Force face palette, I will apply the highlighter on my nose and on all the high points of my face. I really like how subtle and how beautiful glow this gives. Taking my Plum Kajal, I am applying it on my lower lash line. It really looks very beautiful after application of the kajal on both my eyes. So I really like how it has turned out. Now the final step of the eyes is eyeliner, and I'm taking Lakme Absolute Shine Line eyeliner in the shade Black. It's a very matte black eyeliner. I'm doing a very light wing, and I will keep my eye as simple and subtle as I can. I'm applying a very thin eyeliner so that my eyeshadow colors are very nicely visible. Try to be as precise as you can, guys, and practice your eyeliner, practice your wings. Only then you can achieve the perfect wing. Now I am done with both my eyes, and this is how subtle and how beautiful the eye makeup looks right now. I really like it. Now the next part is applying lipstick, and this is a very beautiful shade from Sugar Lipstick. This is their Sugar Lip Crayon, and the shade is LA Woods. This is a beautiful nude color for all Indian skin tones. The lipstick shade is complementing very well with the eyeshadow. So everything looks so put together and so beautiful. Now I'm back with my eyelashes from Nykaa. This is their OTT Give Me Length and Defined Eyelashes. This is a beautiful lash, and I really like the entire makeup look. So I really hope you also liked it. Please like my video and subscribe to my channel, guys. Take care, stay safe, and signing off. Bye-bye.